Hey guys, welcome to my makeup video, and I'm going to be doing the ABC makeup challenge. Let's get started.
2, 3, funky.
First letter is A, so I'm going to be using the Adrienne Vattadini eyebrow gel. The second letter is B, so I'm going to be using the Bite Beauty mini lipstick in the color Chai. So the next letter is C, so I'm going to be using the new Covergirl True Blend Base Business Everyday Defense with SPF 20. For foundation, since the next letter is D, my D is going to be dog, because dogs are my favorite animals and I wish to have them as a pet. So, but since I don't have any, since I don't have a D lettered foundation, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl foundation in the shade 520 Light Medium. We're using my Beauty Blender, this one. And now for E, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the e.l.f. eye primer. And this primer is better to use with your hands to blend, since the formula is kind of hard to blend with the Beauty Blender. You have to kind of be quick with it too. Okay, that's for my E. And now for my F, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 235. I'm going to be using glitter, hashtag Glittergoals, and I'm going to be using a little bit of like a pink sparkle. I'm going to be using the brush that comes with it, and I'm going to be using this shade right there. H, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. So I'm going to be using this shade for my crease. I'm going to be using the Morphe X James Charles palette because that's the only J I have. And I'm going to be using these two right here. Okay, I'm going to be using the Kylie lipstick, and I'm only going to be using this for the middle. I'm going to be setting my face with the Mercier setting powder. For M, I'm going to be using the Milk highlighter. For N, I'm going to be using my NYX eyeliner in pink from NYX. For P, I'm going to be using for the Hilton curling mascara. For Q, I'm going to be using Queen, because that is my favorite word to use, like, yes, Queen. R, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Wonder Sub 2-in-1 Liner to eyeshadow. For S, I am going to use Sassy because I like being sassy. So for T, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil Light to Medium Matte Bronzer. For you, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay blush. For V, I'm going to be using the word vivid because I like things to be vivid and I like vivid colors. For W, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild glitter in pink because I like pink glitter. For X, I'm going to be using the word Xbox because I used to play Xbox with my friend when I was younger. So there you go. And for Y, I'm going to be using the YSL Mascara. For Z, I'm going to be using Zzzz because I like being sleepy sometimes. So there you go. Thank you for watching my video, and this is the final look. Thank you guys. Bye.